Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you add anything new to your home, it's so important to make sure it matches everything else in the home.
We installed a new window in our place, and the blinds had to match the rest of the apartment. This AIRLAJYD Cordless Faux wood blinds were perfect. It comes with instructions, and also the brand has a little video that you can watch to make sure you do it correctly. It was very easy, straightforward. I also like the big, wide circles at the bottom to allow you to secure it easily to the top. Then you just slide the blinds in and close the brackets down. The tricky part is definitely putting the decorative crown on. It's got these little clips that you have to slide them in. But once that was in, it made all the difference. And what I love most about this, it actually is a pull down, push up blinds. So it makes it so much easier to get the level that you want, that you need. It has the pull so that you can twist to easily open and close it. It feels so nice. It's got that faux wood look finish on it. And the crown looks absolutely perfect and matches all the rest of the windows in our house, which was so important because we're renting here and we want to make sure our landlord is happy with any changes we make to the apartment.
And that's my point of view.